Folks, we have One Piece OP17, Japanese edition of the World's Strongest Heroes. This is a 2-box random number 9. Absolute best of luck, folks. We got 8 times. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And there's 8 times with the 8 pips. Here's our order. Said, have a good feeling. Oh, wait, hang on. There we go. I just got a text. I'm over here balancing, doing the breaks, and then trying to coordinate all of the internet upgrades that are happening tomorrow morning. Added stuff to the agenda. Oh, I'll send you a text of the one that I made. I realized I forgot to send that to you, Keen of Talk. Alright, let's get our boxes on the table. Ski douche. Alright, here we go. Come on. Angry Beard said I got a good feeling about this one. What is this now? They said they are going to, we're supposed to have a person come in and install the new gear that I had ordered, okay? And then after the gear is installed, then we have a person come in to activate everything. They sent the person first to activate everything. And then he was like, none of the gear's installed. So then Tuesday, the people to install the gear are supposed to come. They no-showed. And then today, I just got a text from the guy who's supposed to activate it again. And he was like, am I coming in today? And I was like, they haven't installed anything. All right, got number 9 on the Lin. And there's number 3 on the Rare. Yeah, the parade, like, I don't know. If you're like there in person with me and you see me like watching a parade, I feel like I don't look like I'm enjoying it, but I've always enjoyed parades. I think it's because I grew up going to Disneyland a bunch. Now we got the Dawn. Get random at the end, and then number 7 on the Rare. But the idea of a Pokemon parade sounds like a whole lot of fun. I'm worried it's gonna be well, I don't know. I'm curious what the, how it's all gonna go, because there's a lot of aspects of it that are a lot more like Disneyland than they are a convention, if that makes sense. You don't enjoy it? No, it's more so because I don't know what to do. I just kind of go, I kind of just stare, you know what I mean? Then we got number 2, Heath Fleming. I start to kind of disassociate a little bit. And there we got number 9 on the leader and number 4 on the Rare. This is the 2006 10th anniversary parade in New York City. Damn. That's a cool one to have attended. No, I'm sleeving the wrong card. Oops. Yamato on the number 4. Yeah, I think so. Get lost in the sauce. There we got number 8 on the Rare. There's number 1. That's number 2. Number 2. Number 9 on the rare. See, the only thing that sucks, Hina, is that we're not going to have those Pokemon Polaroid cameras in time for that. That would be so, like, oh man. I would use all my film in one day if we had it at Pokemon XP. Then we got number 9. Have all the Pokemon themed photos with the Pokemon themed Polaroids. There we got number 9 on the rare. There's number 2. And there's a secret rare of rocks from Clan D. That is number 8. Going out to Music on the secret rare. There's number 9. How many people you think are One Piece fans? They have kids, and they give their kid the middle name D, like just the letter D. That's some stuff. That's some crap I'd do. That's some crap I would do. Number 6. There's a sweet 3 on number 4. Newgate on the number 5 SR. Going out to Music. Lin on the number 9. Now we got Kaido, number 8 on the... I was making sure I didn't pass a Panda Man. Number 8 on the leader. And there's Kaido on the event. I'll do D in vein of Homer J. Simpson. The J is short for J. I did not know that about Homer Simpson. There is a good old Newgate in his youth. That is a 0 on the... Oh, it's a rare. And there's Kaido on the SR. Number 2. Number 2. Leader of Newgate on the 1. Odin on the number 7. Wow, what's happening to my voice today? Usually I'm fine. I don't feel like I've been like screaming a bunch. I need to... Holy crap. It's not like I haven't drank any water at all today. I don't know why today I'm dying. Might just be yapping too much. Time for ASMR stream. I turn up the mic and I don't talk at all. Probably get more viewers that way if I shut up. Now we've got number 3. Nico Robin on the number 7. Ulti and Company on the 0. See, like Jags, Scott, Backer, all of them. I don't know how they do it. I really don't. I think I really am going to be like coughing for the next little bit of the stream. I messed up my voice today somehow, man. There's Iyasa on the altar. Number 1 going up to Tres. Got the telescope there. Wow. I don't know what I did to my voice. This is actually kind of killing me. There we got number 9. Shoot. Was I yelling? Was I getting loud? I got number 7. I usually don't have this issue when I'm just talking on stream. I got number 6. Dude, not the throat coat tea. Oh, there's another. Walmart has one. I think it's like the throat soother. Honestly, I should probably make some tea. I have a... oh, I forgot. I've got a bunch of jasmine tea. I've got a bunch of jasmine tea. Hopefully it's all still good. I'm stupid and I forgot I had it. Number 9 on the rare. I think I will make some tea actually after this. Hopefully we've got like some honey or something in the kitchen. I know I'm not sick. I know I'm nowhere near sick. It's just literally like I think I've just been talking too much. Shanks on the SR number 2. There's Heath. Damn. That's... I'm gonna say Battle hasn't typed anything in chat in a couple hours. That's the first thing you come back to say. Definitely not me. I'm over here coughing. Talking too much. There I got number 8. And Nico at number 7. Yeah, I can understand the confusion there, Mr. Battle. We got the rare number 3. Usopp on the number 0 for the SR. Now we got Newgate on the leader, number 1. Shanks, number 7. Now we got Lucky Rope on the number 3. There is a Yamato number 4. Number 8 on the rare. Linlin on 9 and Stussy on 4. Trying to think. I wasn't screaming at all today. I had this happen like from karaoke and stuff. There we got Dawn. I got 2 for 1 on the Dawn. Top 2 spots will both be getting the same Dawn. And number 9. Like sometimes we'll queue up like My Chemical Romance at karaoke. It's a very quick way for me to destroy my voice. There's a number 3 on the SR. There's our leader on the number 9. Number 5 on the rare. Yeah, well, trying to find something, man. I don't know where the alt leaders are. We haven't seen an alt leader out of this box yet. Number 5 on the rare. Even an alt leader, come on. Now we've got number 2. Give me at least a Panda Man. There we got number 9 on the rare. Last pack magic. Give us some kind of alt. Some kind of alt, please. Damn it. Number 2 on the rare. Not gonna lie, folks. Number 9 kind of treated us like dirt. Number 9 was pretty rude to us. Say the numbers as we see. We got 3, 0, 2, 2, 5, 2. We got the secret rare of Rocks. That's on the number 8. And then Yasop on the number 1. We've got our 2 Dawn over there. We're gonna go ahead and hit the randoms, see who the lucky 2 are. Here we go. We have 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and right there. Come on, is it loading? No, it did register. 6 times. Tres and music getting the dawn. Folks, that was One Piece OP17 Japanese edition by the 2 box random number 9. Thank y'all very much.